Rani Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian anti-colonial nationalist, secular humanist, social democratic author and statesman.
This whole thing had a big impact on India's history. Thank you.
Second Prime Minister of India. He was born on October 2nd, 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. His father was Sharada Prasad and mother is Ram Dular Devi. Lal Bahadur was 16 when Gandhi called upon his countrymen to join.
Also Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru parents are Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian anti-colonial nationalist, secular humanist, social democratic author and statesman who was a central figure in India. During the middle of 20th century, Nehru was principal
of Ram Prasad Bismil. He is a true icon of Indian independence. Ram Prasad Bismil was an Indian revolutionary and freedom fighter who played a significant role in the country's struggle for the independence from the British rule. He born on June 11.
మన దేశ మాతమే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా తేనెల తేటగానం పాడుకొని గీతగానం పాడుకొని మన దేవికి ఇవ్వాలి హారతులు.
Of the Ottoman Empire after the World War I, by whom it was a political campaign launched by Indian Muslims when and where in British India between 1919 to 1922. What
Annie Besant launched the Home Rule movement. The Home Rule movement was arrived to attain circular or Home Rule for India. It was a mass movement that had the participation of people from different
పొగడరాని తల్లి భూమి భారతిని నిలపరాని జాతి నిండు గౌరవం ఏలరా భారతీయుడా ఏలరా భారతీయుడా.
and a strong believer in justice who raised his voice and waged many a battle against unlawful British
policies. He was an Indian revolutionary who went on army rebellion against the British in response to the 1882 Madras Forest Act that effectively restricted the free movement of Adivasis.
By breaking some specific rules and regulations. When and where? It was started on 12th March 1930 through launch of Salt Satyagraha at Sabarmati in Gujarat. By whom? Gandhiji started the Civil Disobedience Movement. What happened? Civil Disobedience Movement was stopped when
వల్లూరి ఎవడు రానా భరత జాతిని కప్పమడిగిన తుచ్చుడు ఎవడా పొగరు బట్టిన తొల్ల దొరగాడెవ్వడు బ్రతుకు తెరువుకు దేశమొచ్చి బానిసలుగా మమ్ము నెంచి పన్ను అడిగే కొమ్ములొచ్చిన దమ్ములెవడికి వచ్చెరా బడుగు జీవులు బగ్గుమంటే ఉడుకు నెత్తురు ఉప్పెనైతే ఆ చంద్ర నిప్పుల గండ్రగొట్ట
1825లో జన్మించారు. 30 జూన్ 1917 సంవత్సరంలో మరణించారు. నౌరోజీ గారిని గ్రాండ్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా మరియు భారతదేశ రాయబారి అని కూడా పిలుస్తారు. ఒక భారతీయ స్వాతంత్ర కార్యకర్త, రాజకీయ నాయకుడు.
लाला लाजपत राय का जन्म 28 जनवरी 1887 को पंजाब में हुआ था. उनके माता का नाम राधा कृष्णा आजाद था. पिता का नाम गुलाब देवी था. लाला लाजपत राय लेखन में चाह रखते थे. इनका नारा था इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. यह नारा स्वतंत्रता की भावना को दर्शाता है. लाहौर अधिवेशन में लाला
आज मैं चंद्रशेखर आजाद के बारे में कहने जा रही हूँ. चंद्रशेखर आजाद का जन्म 23 जनवरी 1906 भावरा ग्राम मध्य प्रदेश में हुआ था. इनके पिता का नाम पंडित सीताराम तिवारी एवं माता का नाम जगदानी देवी था. उनके पिता ईमानदार.
Here we are presenting the tableau of partition of Bengal. The partition of the Bengal was which resulted in the division of Bengal into Eastern Bengal and Western Bengal. Eastern Bengal and Western Bengal. The real intention of British was to wreck the nerve center of nationalism Bengal in order to safeguard their interests. This was rejected widely by the people. Militant
This war had a big impact on India's history. Thank you.
Was born on January 28, 1865 He was a prominent nationalist leader who played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. He was a prominent member of famous Lal Bal Pal firebrand trio during the independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. During 1888 and 1889 annual sessions of the National
It took place on Feb 4, 1922 in Uttar Pradesh, India. It was a significant event during the Indian independence movement. A group of protesters, part of the non-cooperation movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, clashed with the police. The protesters were demanding the end of British rule and were protesting against oppressive laws. In response to police station, this resulted in the deaths of 22 policemen. Gandhi, who advocated for non-violence, was deeply disturbed by the incident. Following this, he called off the non-cooperation movement. The incident highlighted the tensions between the British authorities and
against Battle of India. She came from a Marathi Brahmin family of Varanasi. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, real name was Manikarnika. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai's father's name was Morapan Kamble and mother name was Bhagirathi Bai. Jhansi at the age of 4, her mother Bhagirathi died. After her mother's death, Jhansi total responsibility took her father Morapan. That time, Jhansi Lakshmi Bai and her father went to Morapan's relative Bajirao Ishwa, hometown place.
Into public service and social reform. Prakasham was a strong advocate for the rights and welfare of the people. He played a crucial role in shaping.
I am here to say with Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai was born.
Here to tell about non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was started in 1921 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It was a mass movement. It was a non-violent Kalipat non-cooperation movement. Its aims were to redress the wrong things done to people of Punjab and Turkey. Attainment of Swaraj. The status proposed for the non-cooperation movement are renunciation of titles. Subramanya Iyer and Rabindranath Tagore renounced the honorary title Sir that they received from the British. Gandhiji returned his Kaiser-e-Hind medal, resigning of important jobs. Many officers resigned their jobs.
Swargadapi gariyasi he talli nidugannado he talli nidugannado aa talline kannapu.
About it, we are celebrating this Navratri celebrations. I am here to tell about Bal Gangadhar. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is often referred to as Lokmanya Tilak, was a prominent Indian nationalist, freedom fighter and social reformer. He was born on July 23, 1856 in Maharashtra. He was a key leader in the Indian independence movement. Tilak was one of the first leaders to advocate for complete self-rule Swaraj as the goal for India.
And is best known for advocacy and Hindutva, which emphasizes Hindu nationalism. Sarvakar in both Marathi and English, including historical texts and poetry. He was involved in revolution art activities against British rule and was arrested in 1909 for his alleged role in conspiracy to associate a British official. Sarvakar was sentenced to life imprisonment and spent over.
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले।
Flag.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే
సందర్భంగా ఆగస్టు 15 చరిత్రలో ప్రసిద్ధికెక్కింది. సుమారు 200 సంవత్సరాలు మన దేశాన్ని పరిపాలించిన బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు మన తల్లి పాలు మనం త్రాగకుండా మన మూతుల్ని బిగియ కట్టారు. అటువంటి సమయంలో మన దేశ నాయకులు ఎన్నో పోరాటాలు జరిపి మన దేశాన్ని కాపాడారు. ధనాభిరుచి, పరిపాలన, అహంకారంతో మన దేశ సంపదను
Flourishing country. Evidently, our country was popularly known as Golden Eagle. You can see how was the king, our Indian kings in those days. And the Britishers, they came to our country as a traders. Later, what they did, they want to divide the country and rule. So they had divided the country into two, and they have started railing on the racial basis, that is the caste system. The Indians were racially discriminated by the Britishers. The Indian sepoys had lesser salary when compared to the British. Indian workers were forced to sell their goods to the British at very low price and then made to buy British products at much higher prices. They levied huge taxes. If failed to pay, they used to punish them brutally. They used to put on chains. They used to harass them. And later, the Indian independence movement was a series of the historic event in South Asia with the ultimate aim of ending British colonial rule. The revolt of 1857 was a conscious beginning of the independence struggle. Many of the freedoms have fought for the Indian freedom. Finally, India became an independent nation by serving its sides to British colonial control in 1947. India got independence on 15th August 1947 after many sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Jai Hind.
On the eve of Independence Day, we want to know about the dreams of parents about their children in this independent India. Ma'am, I like to know where you want to see your child after 10 years.
I want my child to become a doctor.
What is the reason?
We can get lots of money, we can save the lives of people. With that money, we can happily.
Why? Excuse me, ma'am, I am observing you are silently sitting and listening everybody and smiling.
I am just thinking about my child.
Can you tell about that?
I proudly say that I want my child to become an army officer.
Why you want to make your child army officer? Why not profession?
I want my child to become an army officer so that he can safeguard the country, serve all them profession and let them enjoy their life and live peacefully.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat!
Jai
Mic is not working. Good morning again.
Good morning, my name is Rina. I am in first Good morning, my name is Yashashri. I am studying in UKG. I am enacting as Subhash Chandra Bose. JEE, thank you. Good morning, my name is Santi. Studying and acting. Jai Hind. Good morning, my name is Farah Fatima. And acting is Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good morning to everyone. My name is C.J. Kumar. I am studying in 3rd standard. My acting is to celebrate this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. As a citizen of India, I am so proud to talk to you about my mother India. We celebrate this day with lots of joy and enthusiasm every year because our country got freedom on this day. In 1947 from the British rule, today we are celebrating 78th year of Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and significant day for all Indians, and people of India had suffered cruel behavior of Britishers for many years. History of slave India reveals everything that how our India ancestors మరియు ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి మేడం గారికి ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు నా నమస్కారాలు. నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకు అభినందనలు. ఈరోజు మనం 77వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం. This allowed the British to maintain their power and control over India for centuries. The idea where
का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। पम पम पम
हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
ये दिया है जान भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। पम 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 पम। आजा आजा जिंदू शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले।
Wow! On the occasion of Independence Day, we want to know about the dream of parent about the children in this independent India. Ma'am, I'd like to know where you want to see your son after 10 years.
I want my child to become a doctor.
What is the reason?
He can get so much money and he can save the lives of the people. With that money, we can live happily.
Ma'am, what do you want your daughter to be?
I want my daughter to be an engineer so that she will earn respect in the society and lots of money. With that, she can build a house and buy jewelries.
Sir, what do you want your child should become?
I want my child to be pilot. He rode in the sky and can go all around the world and can earn lots of money.
Excuse me, ma'am, I am observing you sitting silently and watching everybody and smiling.
I just thinking about my child.
Can you tell about that?
I proudly say that I want my child to become an army officer.
When you want to make your child army officer, why don't the other
I
professions?
want my child to become an army officer so that he can safeguard the country, serve all the professions. Let all of them enjoy their life.
Dr. Y.L. Reddy Garu for gracing this occasion. I express my heartfelt thanks to our principal sir, madams, coordinators, teachers and staff of our school for their support for this function. Last but not the least, I thank all my friends for their active cooperation and remarkable performances. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you. Jai Hind.
वेरी गुड आर्टिस्ट सर का फोटो दूंगा मैं आपको। शशि सर, संजीव भंडारी, मिसेस सरीना, मिसेस मालती, मिसेस अश्विनी, मिसेस चामुंडेश्वरी एंड माई प्रार्थना, आदिलक्ष्मी, शी इज राजलक्ष्मी, शी इज मिसेस मनजा, she is Mrs. Lakshmi, she is Mrs. Anita, she is Mrs. Jyoti Rani, I'm sorry, she is Mrs. Shashikala.
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ज़मीन आसमानों में, हाँ ही मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम्